Commanders, greeting commanders, Comrade Dlamini no Palasa Victoria Ngxenge live lapha emall. Hey, ngikadwa ama security kuthiwa iMK ayifuneki emamall bafethu. So this is a very serious matter. Engathi njengabaholi bomkhonto wesifazwe serious bafethu. Asikwazi ngavinjwa emamall ngenxa yamakwerekwere. It's not going to happen. Yabo manje ngiya escortwa ukuthenga into zengane la, sengiya escortwa ngoba kuthiwa amalokhu ama-members awafuneki, but any member funke checkers, please contact us. Uzongena checkers, ayikho umuntu ongakuvimba South Africa. Gqoka irigala yakho omkhonto bangasisabisi. We are in charge of this country. People voted for us to lead this country. We can't be undermined by amapunu namakwerekwere. It's not possible bafana. It's not possible. So nje bafethu asambeni semamall soko checkers singeneni. Ayike abazosenza abantu bafethu. Onenkinga ufanele mina ngizofika kufake mina. Ngesizwe ngalapha bafethu basijwayela kabi. Lama comrade nawa ke lamapunu lawa akade ngivimba ethi angangena emall, but sengingenile emall bafethu. So anyone on a problem yokuvinjwa emall lelaphundi liphethe isibhamu angangitshela mina bafethu uzongena emall, akho into angangena emall ngenxa yebhuni bafethu. Bangasisabisi izwe lethu semall la sengingene ngathenga into engizoyithenga, akekho umuntu ongangivimba bafethu. Uma benivimba nisitshele sama commander bafethu, so fika sonifaka bafethu. Akekho umuntu ngesitshela amabhunu bafethu. Yabo la baphelwa isikhathi amabhunu bafethu, aphelwa isikhathi bafethu amabhunu bafethu. Yabo into le azama ukurula izwe ngenkani. Manje sikuphona thina ke manje sine siphethe bafethu. Yabo MK ivotele kakhulu eKwaZulu Natal and ithina siphethe eKwaZulu Natal bafethu. Yabo lithi ngiyahlanya ibhunu, uyangilisabi ibhunu, phethe isibhamu ngisabeza ngesibhamu mfethu. Mina nebhamu mina kithi nami nginazo esami, ngeke ngitshelwe ibhunu mina ngesibhamu. Ngeke ngitshelwe ibhunu ngesibhamu mina mfethu. Yabo ngangisabisi bafethu. Ufuna ukuze emall akeze emall, akekho umuntu ozosiphazamisa. Yabo gqoka into ze-MK uze emall mfethu, okutshela ungifonele ubiza ama-commander songena emall. Ayikho kumele sovinjwa kuyona bafethu, singasatshiswa amabhunu ihlama lezi bafethu namakwerekwere ihlama. Izinja ngeke zenze lutho lezinja, ngeke ufuna uqasha amakwerekwere ngenkani ezweni lethu, msuni yezinja.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Expose mall lapha lebitwa ngeBluff Mall ngemva kokuthi iqoshe imember yeMK lengene lapha nesitolo Nkosi yami ithi yodithengela, bavele nje ama security bathi nje wena qho wangena ngengane ke ubhuti njengoba sesimbona ukuthi yasho ukuthi ungene ngengane lapha ugcina comrade Gcina washo ukuthi wena ungene ngengane lapha nesitolo because they are saying ukuthi apparently if ugqoke uniform or dikipa or skipper rather jersey lele MK awungeni kulesi sitolo. What the hell? Mthetho lo njani lo ukuthi uma ugqoka iskipa se-MK awungeni? The reason why they are saying that it's because i-MK ilisana nebantu bokuqhamuka la kuleli live, so abafuni umuntu loto bagqoka iskipa se-MK loto ngena kuleya mall oljizi le-MK. Uma uthola kaligqoka iskipa se-MK oljizi le-MK ungena leya mall bathi gede nje awungeni. Nalo bhuti njengoba sesimbona ugqina ungene ngengane ibe bamkhipha naye lapha emall, and it really doesn't make sense. Kusho ukuthi bona they are saying ukuthi bafuna kungena abantu be-ANC nabe-EFF kuleya mall. What law is that? Because abantu be-EFF nabe-ANC ngibo labalwela ama-foreigner ukuthi ma-foreigner angahambi la South Africa. So bona they are trying to say ukuthi bantu labasupporta leya mall leya nama-foreigner. Bona ngazuthi if iqosha ama-foreigner, MK iqosha ama-foreigner, then bona ibhizinisi yabo idowa. Hence why they are saying ukuthi uma uyimember nje ye-MK awungeni kuleya mall. Sho ukuthi nje member ye-MK kufanele kudlalele kugcina leya mall, or uma ufuna kuya kuleya mall ungagqoka isikibha se-MK, ungagqoka ijezi uthi gcina banihlanyela, uthi gcina nje banihlanyela. Uma ufuna kule mall utoshop ugqokile ijezi lakho, isikibha sakho se-MK, babide bathi udongena njengoba sesibona bekabathuka ugqina batshela tindzaba tabo ukuthi bayanya, baqasha amakwerekwere, baqasha ama-foreigner nakangakaze asisabela ibhoni uyena limsabise ngesibhamu. Yo guys, this was really heartbreaking ukuthi sekuyoze kuthiwa i-MK uma igqoke ikipa ayingeni kuleya mall because they are fighting for South Africans. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.